everybody, I'm Erin, and today we're going to be talking about the functions of behavior. What is a function of behavior? It's basically the purpose that a behavior serves for the individual who's engaging in that behavior. In other words, it's why a behavior is continuing to occur. So in this video, we're going to start off with something more simple, and that is an explanation of the functions of behavior through an acronym called SEAT: sensory, escape, attention, and tangible. And then we're going to move on to a little bit more complex way of viewing the functions of behavior. With sensory, the behavior smells good, tastes good, looks good, feels good, or sounds good. The behavior itself is reinforcing. Escape and avoidance are next. Escape occurs when an individual gets away from a person, place, thing, or idea. For attention, it's basically social interaction. Having a conversation with someone, smiling at someone, giving somebody a hug, a high five, playing a game with somebody. All those different types of social interactions can be reinforcing. The last one is tangible or activity. And when I think of this, I think of activities with objects. So for example, my phone is a tangible and I'm able to do different activities with it, like making movies, playing games on it, searching the internet for different information. This toy right here is a tangible and I'm engaging in, de-stressing like activities while I make this video. Now that we're done with the SEAT acronym, we can talk about a more complex way to view the functions of behavior, and that is socially mediated positive reinforcement, socially mediated negative reinforcement, automatic positive reinforcement, and automatic negative reinforcement. First, let's talk about the difference between socially mediated and automatic. Socially mediated requires another person or animal to provide the reinforcement, whereas automatic does not require that. To better understand the functions of behavior, we can integrate these two perspectives with each other. Referring back to the SEAT acronym, attention will always be socially mediated. However, sensory, escape, and tangible may be socially mediated or automatic. In other words, sensory, escape, and tangible reinforcement can be reinforced by someone else or by yourself. You may be wondering what's the difference between positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement. Positive is adding something, negative is removing something. For positive reinforcement, we're adding something. We're adding a sensory stimulation, we're adding attention, we're adding a tangible or activity. For negative reinforcement, we're removing a task, we're removing something else in the environment, and that allows for escape or avoidance. Watch the following scenarios to identify the function of behavior. Squeezing a stress ball was reinforcing to the senses. Eating a candy was reinforcing to the senses. Listening to music was reinforcing to the senses. Stretching was reinforcing to the senses through body movement. Interacting with the dog was reinforcing by attention. Talking on the phone to a friend was reinforcing by attention. Watching the TV rather than working successfully avoided work. Turning off the TV successfully escaped from an aversive sound.
What examples do you have? Leave them in the comments below.